For a fact, Islam has never advocated compulsion in religion. If you closely study the Holy Quran, books of hadith and historical records, and examine them and reflect upon them as far as possible, you will realize that the charge that Islam ever used force and wielded the sword to spread the faith is an utterly unfounded and shameless allegation. Such charges are leveled against Islam by people who have not been able to read the Quran, hadith, and the authentic chronicles in an objective and impartial spirit, and have made free use of slander and falsehood. Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam, Jesus in India.
गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है। गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।